by the authority of the National President Igor Arnold Ilandayan, and by the power vested in me as your Regional Governor of Bahrain, this installation of President and induction of regional and club officers, together with the induction of additional members of Bahrain Noble Eagles Club for the Bahrain Noble region, is now called to order.
Let's all be seated.
Magandang gabi sa inyo and welcome to the Noble Region Eagles Club, and let's welcome to our guest, Captain Noel Escalona. Good evening po. And Dr. Josenior Belvis, good evening. And of course to our Governor, Emil Saporna. And welcome all the presidents here. We start from NBNet. The NBNet. Okay, any representative from NBNet? Okay, SBNet? NBNet? BNet? BNet? Mga kuya at mga ate at mga bunso, magandang gabi sa inyo. At I hope today will mark the celebration of our induction. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And today also, can you have Madam Vance? Can we start the induction of regional? Also, I would like to recognize Madam for Madam Lady Escalona. Madam Lady Escalona.
Y fiesta.
Okay, since we are waiting for the dinner, we will induct first the regional before we will take the break.
Afternoon once again, mga kuya and ate and bunso. And now we will proceed to induction of the Bahrain Noble Region 2025 Regional Officers. May we call on Regional Governor, Kuya Emil. Okay. Our Governor will induct all the elected officers. Regional Vice Governor, Kuya Ruben. Regional Secretary, Kuya Tino. Regional Treasurer, Kuya Ramon. National Assemblyman 1, Kuya Eduardo. National Assembly 2, Assemblyman 2, Kuya Ian. National Assemblyman 3, Kuya Omar. I think they are not here. Regional Information Officer, Kuya Jerban. Regional Protocol Officer, Kuya Jansel. Regional Tribunal Officer, Kuya Leomar. Regional Peace Officer 1, Kuya Bumel. Regional Peace Officer 2, Kuya Ronel. Regional Peace Officer 3, Kuya Ricardo Obias. And Regional Care Officer, Kuya JB. Regional Election Officer for Comelec Appointment, Kuya Eman Ganayo.
Hindi sila lang palagay natin. Picture na natin. Gusto talaga. GPS. Leonard ko. Lagi.
Kuya JB, Kuya Iman.
Lagyo. Ah, okay. Lagyo lang. Di lagi daw yan. Lagyo.
Kuya Eman.
You.
Kuya Eman, Kuya Rick Obias.
Ay, tama. Oh, yan.
Kuya Leo.
Ronaldo P. Alme.
Kuya Jerban, Kuya Jansel.
Hindi mo magsulat. Ako din na. Pasmado na. Hindi ako magsulat ng ganyan. Kabit-kabit. Marina Soy. Ano yan? Ni Beta. Marina. Soul. Ah, sa Soul. Liver. Tapos dito na lang natin lalagyan ng pin. Pwede rin dito. Tapos lalagyan na lang doon yung ano. Biling ko. Flat.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been duly elected, appointed to the position of state your position of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to its Magna Carta and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, fraternal Philippine civic organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the Sig Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times all the Eagles' delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my fraternity, with my club, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations po.
assessor.
Hindi po. Hindi namin ubas.
Yung, ano?
Yung
Yung,
Intig yan.
panlalaki lang ba yan?
hindi, ano po,
Lahat yung
rambon.
ate. Binik.
Sama-samahin lang.
Ilagay ko na binik.
Now I will call the corresponding club to be inducted. Bahrain Noble Eagles Club. Newly elected club president, Kuya Leomar. Newly elected club vice president, Kuya Ronel. President, Northern Bahrain Noble Eagles Club.
Saan ka na? 30. Sa kabila mo na. Sa kabila mo na lang.
May we call Kuya Leomar, Ate Joanne Samporna, Kuya Ruben, and Kuya Renaldo. Please come over also the 4 pillars.
Sibel, Barin. Barin.
Ano? Uy.
The 4 pillars, please. Brotherhood, service, unity, and divine power.
Yan yung basahin natin mamaya, ha? Yung binigay ko sa inyo. Yan, sa pag-update.